TBI self.
Hold on.
Adam 84, they're up 1037.
In Little Rock, Arkansas, a heart-pounding chase erupted when police received a report of a stolen truck. The thief, behind the wheel of the stolen vehicle, recklessly sped through city streets, weaving through traffic and narrowly avoiding collisions. The police, unwavering in their pursuit, coordinated their efforts to track the fleeing suspect.
Directed for Adam 84, 1037.
Off the median over the North Service Road. There's a little bit too much traffic down there.
Do you want me to start that way?
Turning up towards Reynolds.
Thank you, 120
3 to 84, Air Force, get this.
10-4, we're going south on it. It's going over there.
Going back over the fast.
The situation escalated quickly as the truck reached speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. The thief, desperate to escape, pushed the vehicle to its limits, creating chaos on the roads. Despite the extreme danger, the officers stayed focused, gradually closing the gap on the runaway truck.
Get on the South Service Road and headed back.
South Service Road headed east.
He got back on I-30. 30 eastbound.
38, 23, 100.
Traffic's still pretty heavy. Coming up on the
124 heavy traffic.
Taking 124 heavy. 90 mile an hour.
Taking the 124.
TBI self.
Hold on. 124.
ABI South Service Road 124.
2322, they take off running, let me know.
The chase reached a dramatic climax when the truck lost control and crashed near a forested area by the road. Officers swiftly moved in, apprehending the suspect, who emerged miraculously unharmed. The intense pursuit, marked by high stakes and relentless determination, ended with the thief in custody, highlighting the bravery and tenacity of the Little Rock police.
Radio, we're still eastbound, past Grand Boulevard, roughly 95.
June 6, 2023, Michigan State Police received a critical tip from the DEA. A massive meth shipment was en route to Detroit. The target? A black Honda Accord spotted cruising down Warren Ave near Chase Road.
Miles per hour, he's in the right lane. Stop 24. Alright, we're continuing westbound Warren through Lorraine, 89 miles per hour. It's
Troopers Olszewski, Mejia, Longuski, and their team moved fast, locating the vehicle and attempting a stop. But the suspect had other plans, igniting a dangerous high-speed pursuit through the streets of Detroit.
through 15th Street, and we're going to be 75 miles per hour left. Actually, very light car traffic and very light pedestrian traffic. Actually, don't see anyone. Speeds are 60 miles per hour. We're continuing southbound through Grand River. We're coming up to 2nd Street. We're going to be in the right lane. And light traffic and no pedestrian traffic. Everybody have eyes on?
With traffic thickening on Grand River Ave, the troopers seized their chance. A perfectly executed PIT maneuver brought the chase to an abrupt halt. Sirens echoed through the night as officers closed in, smashing the driver's window to take control. The suspect surrendered and was swiftly taken into custody. Their quick response and decisive action shut down a major drug operation, making the streets of Detroit safer that night.
It's in my phone case.
Let's see the phone right here. DEA. Got it. Phone right here. DEA phone's over here. Phone's right there, partner.
3 minutes left of the
This one.
it's
On the floorboard. Get I'm laughing.
March 26, 2022. In the early hours, Bryan County Sheriff's Office was thrust into a high-speed pursuit, racing down I-16 towards Savannah. It all started back on Georgia 204, where a routine stop escalated. With Troop F communications sounding the alarm, the officer quickly rerouted, heading south on Highway 17, as Sergeant Lewis McLam relayed updates from the field.
He's blocking his head. Wow.
In a bold move, the officer executed a flawless PIT maneuver, flipping the suspect's car and bringing it to a grinding halt.
Stay right there! Get him! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Stay right there, don't you fucking move!
Inside were John Newton and his passenger, Sean Connor. Newton, with an expired license and a criminal history, refused a blood test, showing clear signs of intoxication. Sergeant McLam later revealed it all started over a missing tag light. Newton fled, igniting a chaotic chase. But in the end, the officers prevailed, bringing the suspects to justice and restoring order on the streets.
Did y'all get the prongs off?
Yeah. GSP's got them.
Okay.
Y'all taking them back to Bryan County, I'll charge them. Got them.
What are you digging for?
Nothing, man. I'm not putting my hands in the way to put it on the side.
You pat him down already?
Yeah, mostly. Come on, man. We ain't got nothing, man. They got everything I had. I don't have anything.
What you guys been
Please,
doing?
sir.
Are you under the influence of anything?
I'm not under the influence. I just hurt really bad, sir.
Alright, well put your feet up. I'll help you.
Sure, man. I can't sit with my arm behind my shoulder.
Just slide back. You ain't got to sit right.
Man, sir.
What's this, more paperwork?
Yes, man. Sir, could you please help me out?
Yeah. I did help you. I let you go this far. Newton is the last name, N-E-W-T-O-N.
Sir.
First name is John.
Sir.
Yeah.
You got a Georgia license?
That's probably.
I don't know where the hell that's at.
Could you please look out for me? I understand that I did.
Thank you for always accompanying us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the brave actions of the police force in maintaining law and order. Wishing everyone safe driving and see you again.